Totally just went off the rails. This whole intro, it just was like, it got away from me. Hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, I'm really excited because I'm here today with day 3 of, I just have to look at my hand, I don't know, so I gotta look at my hand. Day 3 of July 2018 Box Week. Really quick, if you're brand new to my YouTube channel, Box Week is the best week every single month. It is the 1 week every month me and my YouTube subscribers. I'm talking really fast right now. I just had some coffee. Spend 7 consecutive days together. It is the best week every single month. It is actually my favorite week every month on my YouTube channel. We open up all my subscription boxes, we make friends with each other, we come back and forth. So if you're brand new to my YouTube channel and you want to subscribe and be a part of our family, this totally just went off the rails. This whole intro, it just was like, it got away from me and I don't know how to bring it back. If you want to be seeing more of this kind of thing, I get it if you don't, click subscribe. Otherwise, you know, I understand. So today we are opening one of my favorite subscriptions on my YouTube channel. We are opening my Ipsy. Ipsy is a $10 monthly subscription service where they send you 5 items every single month. You get a bag and they are usually like sample size. Sometimes you get full size items, but basically they curate it to your like hair color, skin color, all that kind of stuff. And we will be putting more items into our stockpile giveaway. If you're like, what's that? Stockpile giveaway is amazing. This is the 4th one that we started. We started it just this month, so this is the 3rd day that we're gonna be putting items in here. Basically what this is a box that we fill with goodies that I get in my subscription boxes. I keep some stuff for myself, I give some stuff away, and the stuff I give away gets put in here, and then when this box is actually full, which seems to happen every like 1 to 2 months, and fills up very quickly for some reason. Once it's full, I just post a video that says this is the giveaway video. You enter the giveaway, we pick a random person and they get all of the goodies. It's really exciting. You just have to be subscribed to my channel and then, yeah, whatever. So, okay, so we're gonna get into the Ipsy right now, and I say the Ipsy as if it's like fancy. I'm like, the Ipsy. We're gonna get into the Ipsy. We're gonna get into Ipsy right now. All right, I'm opening it up, and this month's bag, oh my god, look at the bag! Oh my gosh, I feel like I dressed for the occasion. I don't know why I'm so extra tonight. I've been trying on clothes in my closet that I couldn't wear before, and I'm like, I'm gonna wear that in a video. Boom! There's no rhyme or reason. There is no reason. I'm just like, I'm gonna wear it. And I also want to point out, Ipsy came late this month. Usually Ipsy's like the first one we do. It took like forever to get here, so I was like, I guess we're going to start Box Week because Ipsy's just going to take its time. I don't know. So this is what the bag looks like. I'm in love. It's a holographic, like blue metallic finish. It's amazing. I'm into it. All right, the first item we have in here is Pure Heart Pore Clear Black Charcoal Peel-Off Mask. Ooh. So this is a black charcoal peel-off mask. You know what? I usually keep face masks to try, but I'm gonna put this into the giveaway box. I have a lot of charcoal masks. I don't have like a lot of charcoal peel-off masks, but I feel like this is something that would be really fun for somebody to try out. So this is gonna go into the giveaway box. I want to keep it, but at the same time, I feel like this would be really cool for somebody to check out that doesn't do a lot of face masks. So that's gonna go in the giveaway box. All right, the next item that we have is Girl Power Real Her Moisturizing Lipstick. So this is a moisturizing lipstick in the shade Mauve. Okay. So it looks like it's definitely like a nice mauve tone. I'm actually gonna put this in the giveaway box too. I have a lot of lipsticks this shade. I don't know if you guys could actually see what it looks like. I'm trying to show you. I'm still learning how to use this camera. I'm like doing this so poorly. My bad. Okay, so that's gonna go in the giveaway box too. So far everything's going in the giveaway box. Oh well. Hey, the next item that we have is Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer. Ooh. So this is a Smashbox concealer in the shade light medium. So they gave me like a full-size concealer. That's really cool. And Smashbox. Dude, that's awesome. I'm going to keep this because I've been actually running low on concealer. It looks a little bit light though. I'm a little bit concerned that it might be too light. Oh, you know what? It might not actually be too bad for a concealer. I'm interested to try that and see. I've never had like a Smashbox concealer before, and I love concealers that come in wands like this because then you can just paint them on real quick, dab it in with your sponge, and you can live your best life and move on. All right, the next item that we have is Sugar. What is this? Sugar? I can't read. I can't see it. Stroke of Genius Heavy Duty Kohl Purple Rain. I think this is like a purple, I don't know if it's an eyeliner or a lip liner. Okay, I'm going to put this to the side because I want to find where the last item is before I investigate further on this. So I'm going to look at the booklet to see if it's in there. All right, the next item that we have is It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In Conditioner. Ooh, I've actually always wanted to try It's a 10. It's supposed to be awesome. You know what? My hair is curly. We don't usually get this opportunity. I'm gonna try it right now. I'm gonna see if I like it. Ooh, I don't know if I like the smell. I should have smelled it before spraying it all over my head. Well, we're already invested now. It's already in my hair, in my crazy mangy hair. I love my hair though, don't get me wrong. I like how wild it is right now. Okay, so let me grab the booklet out to see what this is. It doesn't say. So, I don't know if this is an eyeliner or a lip liner, but I'm gonna put it in the giveaway box because I don't really wear purple eyeliner and I don't really wear purple lip liner. So either way, I feel like rather than open it up, investigate it, and keep it, I'm just gonna put this in the giveaway box. So to recap, we got the Purple Rain eyeliner or a lip liner from Sugar Cosmetics. We got the It's a 10 leave-in conditioner, which is currently in my hair right now. I don't know how I feel about the smell yet, but my hair does feel happy. My hair actually feels like, hey girl, thank you. And I'm like, okay hair, I got you, don't worry about it, boo-boo. All right, the next item that we got was the Purple Hearts Black Charcoal Mask, which peel-off mask, which I'm gonna be putting this in the giveaway box as well. We got the, where is it? The Real Her Girl Power Mauve Lipstick, which is also going in the giveaway box. And the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer, which I tried on my hand, which I'm gonna be keeping. So let me grab the giveaway box, put these in here. I feel like it's gonna take a long time to fill up the giveaway box this month, not because we don't have awesome items, but because we're getting like smaller items. We already have like a full-size mascara, a full-size brow item in here, full-size lipstick, a full-size eyeliner or lip liner, a whole bunch of cool stuff in here already. I'm actually excited. I feel like we have some really quality items in here, so that's awesome. Like I said, I'm in love with this bag. So I actually am really, really happy with this bag. I feel like we definitely got way more than a $10 value than what you pay in. If you're interested in this bag, I can put, I do have a referral code down below this video on the YouTube in the description box. You can sign up for yourself. Yeah, otherwise, that's kind of it. So, how do I end this video? Somebody, I should not drink a cup of Nespresso coffee before filming at night. That's what I need to learn. I've learned my lesson now. Filming, drinking Nespresso, maybe, I don't know. Alright, so that's all I have for you guys today, but if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me out on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at JustLikeDrew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, click the red subscribe button down below this video and join our forever family because we are literally the best crew around because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much, and if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you tomorrow for Box Week Day 4. Alright, talk to you. Love you. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Also, like, it foamed up after. Like, I squirted in my hand and didn't foam up very much, and then it foamed up after the fact. Also, it's like clearing out my sinuses. That's actually really, really intense. We also got the 10 off 10